Good morning, Facebook. Hopefully you're having a great Thursday morning. I want to apologize I didn't come on yesterday. As usual, I have my morning service training on Wednesday mornings to help with my staff to improve us and being better service technicians and being able to go out and serve our customers more. And then we had a pretty busy day right afterwards. I was doing mostly new construction work, doing some water lines, and Tanner was all over the place. He did stuff from commercial to residential, and we got a lot of people taken care of and happy yesterday. Was able to solve some issues. Today, I want to explain to you how you can save some money with food coloring, believe it or not. Just stay till the end and I'll give you the secret. To get started, I want to explain a couple things, and in order to do that, I thought it was best if we take a step into the bathroom here and explain to you how your toilet works. Let's go ahead and go in there. I'll just keep you here until we get in there. We're inside my shop bathroom here, so I apologize for the disgusting mess.